Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use slicer in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here you can see I have data. So simply select the entire data first. So I select here the cell inside the data, then use the shortcut key Ctrl A to select the full data. Then go to the data tab and click on the add a slicer option, and that's it. Here you can see the slicer is added in your Google Sheet. Just drag with the mouse and set where you want. With this, you can see in Slicer the two tab is available, data and customize. Okay. In data, the data range is the first option. The range is here, select automatically. If the range is not selected properly, just click on this box and click on the range and then select this full range. And here you can see the range is captured. Then click on the OK. Okay. After that, in column, choose a column. Just click on this arrow. You can see the column list. Those are available in your data. Just click on it and you can see here the customer in slicer filter. Okay. Click on this tree line and you can use here the filter on customers. Clear all and just click on the clear all and select the customer those you want to filter and click on OK. So this way you can filter the data in customer. If you want to remove the filter, just click on this again and click on the select all and click on the OK. Now I select the different column. I select the amount and here you can see the amount is selected. Again click on this three line and you can clear this filter and select here the amount those you want and you can just click on OK and here you can filter. Okay. So this is the way you can use this slicer, and in customize tab you can see the title is amount showing as same as showing on the slicer also. You can set the one title for all column. So I set here the cells data. Okay. You can change here the font style also of title. See the changes over here. Font size also you can change. Format also you can change a different format. And text color also you can select here the different background color also you can change. So I select here the background color. Okay. See the changes on the slicer. Okay. Now I just go to the data tab. Okay. In column, click on this drop down arrow and I select here the year column. Okay. And you can see here name is not changed. When you change the title, its name is not changed accordingly column name. Okay. So when you click on this three line, see here year filter you can use here. Okay. Clear all and select the year those you want and click on OK. The filter is applied here on year. But name is not changed when you change in customized. Okay. So just click on this arrow and I select here the different column. You can see the name is not changed. Click on this three line. Amount filter you can use here. Okay. Select the amount and click drag below. Click on the OK and here filter is applied. So this way you can use the slicer. Okay. Just click on the three line and if you want to copy, just click on the copy slicer and select the cell where you want to paste and use the Ctrl V to paste a slicer. Okay. Just click on this three dot. If you want to delete, just click on the delete slicer. Okay. If you want to use this customize option, just click on this three line and click on the edit slicer. And you can see the data and customize tab here open. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.